Vermosa, our favorite tambayan. True. To the... We're just gonna wait for the sunset. This is the book that I'm reading right now. It's brought to us by Pocari Sweat. The outfit check ko. Kaikot. We dropped here in Vermosa, Ayala Mall. It's super fine now. May magandang coffee shop dito. We're here at Vermosa, our favorite tambayan, with this girl and the view. We're gonna wait for the sunset. And my outfit is ito. Dapat maganda dito kapag morning, pero we're just gonna watch sunset and share it with you.
You can fly, but you'll never get closer to the sun. You may rise at the price of everyone else falling down, but I'm not going down with you.
To the point.
So you may rise, but you'll never make me wanna stick around you.
Lucky girl.
Won't let you fire me, won't let you drag me down.
We're here and we're just gonna wait for the sunset bago kami pumunta dun sa taas. This is my pretty friend and yeah, that's the sunset. Wala pa actually. Ganda dito tumambay and I'll show you the books that I'm reading right now. It's a new book. Hindi na ako nag-ayos kasi wala namang cute dito. So this is the book that I'm reading right now. And that's the food. Oh. And we're not gonna drink coffee. Not one but two. And this is our drink. So yeah, later we're just gonna chill here.
Won't let you drag me down. I won't even let the power that you want burn down the city, let it into the storm.
Our drinks for today is brought to us by Pocari Sweat and Fit, ano yan? Smartsy. And yeah, hindi ko mabuksan so I need to turn off the camera. Ay, mali pala. Pupunta muna ako dito sa taas. I'll just show you around here. Masarap dito tumambay. Maraming nagja-jogging there. I-shoot ko lang yung sunset dito sa taas. Because it's cool. I'll show it with you guys.
Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we about, can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, no, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you?
Lumabas na yung sunset. Andito na ako sa baba. Pero maganda pa rin. Tingnan nyo. And the Pocari Sweat. So it's almost 6. Uwi na rin kami. I'll just show you the real sunset. I mean, real sunset. Aakyat ulit ako sa taas. Ayan o. Hindi masyadong kita dito. Wait lang. I'll show it with you guys upstairs. And the outfit check ko. Sayang hindi ko siya na-capture, but it's okay. Look. It's gabi na, and then we're about to go home na. So, and
Sinabi ko sa'yo, pag gumulong ka talaga dyan, bahala ka.
maybe
Ng ulo mo.
for the next year, for the next year na, I'll be making few content about this. Maybe I'll do jogging and a lot more. So yeah, thank you for watching this Formosa Chill. Bye bye. Tapos na yung vlog ko. This is my pretty friend. Outfit check, dali, outfit check. Outfit check. O, ikot ka, ikot. So, I thought we're gonna go home na, but we dropped here and Vermosa Ayala Malls. It's cute here. We're just gonna check something. And I'm super pawis na. But it's okay. We're going to check Anytime Fitness here. There siya, but it's not yet open. There. Upstairs. Ate! It's super fine now. May magandang coffee shop dito.